We are checking out some more dark ambient music today with some merch, obviously. We are checking out Messa from Italy with their song The Dress of their newest record, The Spin, that we release April 11th this year. So maybe by the time I'm releasing this, the record is already out. Everything will be in the description below. And yeah, let's jump just straight into it. This is dark, ambient, doom, stoner, everything dark and atmospheric. I just love it. Let's go. Messa, The Dress. Building. Nice guitar tone. Her voice is just perfect for this kind of stuff. You should love yourself. Reminds me in certain part of Ponte del Diavolo as well, without the screaming. I really like her voice. Wow, such a hook. That's beautiful. The atmosphere is so dense, like. I was going to say a room filled with cigarette smoke, the TV, a whiskey. Ah. This is just so cool, man. That's freaking sexy in terms of music. Where are we going with this? I don't mind this section at all. Come on, come on. Give me something heavy. This has to turn into something heavy. Yeah. No, this is just bragging, you know? What a climax. Got shivers, man. This is... Wow.
I'd like to feel your laughter inside my mouth, and in my heart it swells for such fire and beauty. Are you gonna be my witness when I growl at everybody, and the blood all over me won't be hidden? Every fear, I would leave it behind. Inside of me, coiled deep, I ask myself, is this desire? I'm a dog picking up a scent. The scent of being fucking torched, shimmering with frustration above the wings of mediocrity. Convulsion, target, incantation, and the spin that is ever growing.
Ending on kind of a poetic note there. Well, this record will be seriously appreciated on my side. That was unexpected. I mean, I know the band Messa from what they did before, but I kind of never like gotten as deep into it. This is This is hitting on a very different level. This is some serious, well thought through, very dark, very sexy, very intricate, and very, I don't know, seriously atmospheric. The saxophone, man. People should use more saxophones. It's not just Sleep Token and these fellas here. Saxophone is such a great instrument in combination with heavy music and should be used a lot more. Yeah, this was Messa with The Dress. New record, The Spin, out April 11th. I'm definitely going to check this one out because this is... I have to go through this record and through this song a few more times to suck up every freaking detail, because a lot of hidden details in there. Her voice is just amazing. Check out Messa, and I will put everything in the link in the description below. Like and subscribe, and yeah, that's it for today's reaction. See you very soon. Ciao.